needed them.
Okay. So let's set our intention together, you and I, that you are going to release that reluctance to get rid of belongings that no longer serve you any purpose. Can we set that intention?
That intention is there.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And on a scale of 1 to 10, what number can you give me this reluctance to release all these belongings, these personal belongings?
Now, previously, it was an 8. Now that reluctance is a 2.
The reluctant is a number 2?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, that's a good number.
We're doing well. So what will you be doing without this, Rob? Will you not be collecting things? Will you be doing something else with your life? Is there another purpose that you feel you have?
I'll have a happy wife.
You'll have a happy wife. Okay.
Well, that's worth a lot right there. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is I want you to know that you're capable of doing anything. Do you believe that you're capable of anything?
Oh, absolutely.
Wonderful, wonderful. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to close your eyes, and I'd like you to picture yourself where you're standing right now. Picture yourself in your room with your books behind you, and I want you to just float above that scene, float high above. Picture the roof coming off your house and you're just floating above, looking down at you. And what I want you to do is imagine, see, or feel a picture of you floating above yourself. And what I'd like to know is, what is the origin of it? Was it before or after or during your birth? Immediately, just give me your first thought. Before, after, or during?
After.
After. And how old were you?
3.
3. And what was going on? Can you reverse back all the way back to that scene of you being 3 and kind of step around yourself, experience that moment? What's going on at the age 3 that's related to this?
My brother is taking things off me.
Your brother's taking things away from you?
Yes.
Okay.
My toys.
Oh, okay.
Was he younger brother or older brother?
Older.
Okay. And how did this make you feel?
Sorry. Oh wow. Oh, sad.
You're sad. Was this the origin of your sadness, Rob? You've heard us do this technique. Do we need to go back before you were born, or is there an earlier memory? Just trust your body mind now.
No, just angry.
Just angry. If we let go of this today, would you let go of the anger and sadness on this event?
Oh, yes.
And all of it. Obviously, you've had an enormous release already, and you got up at 3 in the morning for a reason, and it was already letting go as Michelle started the technique, and we all saw the release of energy. So I think from this point, you can take it. I think you should make a movie. Would you like to make a movie, Rob?
Yes.
I think you should make a movie of this. Forwards in black and white and backwards in color, Michelle.
Okay, I'd like you to make a movie of this, forwards and backwards. So forwards in black and white and backwards in color. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that movie?
Yes.
It feels better, doesn't it? All right, now just drain the emotion, the anger and sadness from this event.
And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to imagine all those strings that are holding you to that event, and I want you to come up with something to cut all those strings that were holding you to that event. What would you like to use, Rob?
Laughter.
Okay.
All right.
The laughter is going to release you and cut those strings of all that event. And what we're going to do is we're releasing that emotion and feeling it start at the top of your head, and just think of it as this beautiful waterfall washing over you, just washing over you. See those beautiful drops of water just washing over you, and it feels so good, and you're releasing it from your shoulders to your hands, your navel, the spine of your back, down your legs, the back of your calves to your toes. And what I'd like you to give me a nod, well, I see a sway that's going on. And do you feel it's washed away?
Into the ground.
Good, wonderful, you're doing a great job. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to bring up from the tips of your toes this beautiful healing energy. It's white or whatever color you choose. It's beautiful, and it feels like warm, molten butter, and it feels warm and soft and beautiful, and it fills you up. It fills you up. It fills you with love and light and energy. And when you feel that come up and wash over you and down over the top of your head, and it comes out your fingertips, only then when it's completely left, I want you to open your eyes.
I'd say that was a good result. So did you have Alexei is giving us a thumbs up here. So what was the number we began at, Michelle? I forget. What was the number where there's a 2? And has this gone? Did you get rid of it?
It's gone.
All right. That's really great. Congratulations. Let's give it up for you, Rob, and Michelle. What a lovely job. Super.